Well, here's another great Carole King tune. What a great American composer she is. And this is Natural Woman, or You Make Me Feel Like a Natural Woman. And I'm going to teach it to you in the key that she sings it in. Let's begin. Starts with an A. And then it goes to an E over G sharp. Now you can play that like this. I like to play it that way a lot, but an easier way, if you can do bar chords. Or even not, you can take a D chord, move it up to an E, and just put your thumb on a G sharp. Or you can play like a C sharp minor 7, but take your finger and go all the way to the 6th string and just play the 6th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. And that's even more full. It's probably the best chord. So, G, to a D. Now it's D, A over C sharp, B minor 7, A. That's the walk. So let's do all that. Twice. D, D, A over C sharp, and then B minor 7. Da, 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 D, D, da, 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 to C sharp minor 7. And repeat for 3 times. Da, 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 D, or down here, and then D over E. Or you can do a B minor 7 over E, or a D over E, like this. They all are essentially the same chord. You make me feel. Now she walks up on the chorus, so she goes A, B minor 7, A over C sharp, D. But that's just too much for a guitarist. I mean, you could do it, but it becomes a little messy. So instead of doing that, just do the bass line. Okay, A, B, C sharp, D chord. You make me feel like that. Make me feel. Now here, when she says like a natural woman, she's playing chords or harmonies. And the chords are really A, D, A over C sharp, and repeat. A, D, A over C sharp, and then B minor 7, B minor 7 over E. Now you can do that if you want. But I thought about it and I thought, why don't we do something that kind of moves? So let's do the A like this. So add that high A to get that melody note. Feels. Then we'll do a D and just do the top 3 strings. Then an A, top 3 strings. And then we'll do a full A, but the middle 3 strings. And then a D, middle 3 strings. And then an A over C sharp, add the C sharp. So I'm now adding the 5th string. So you can see it's sort of moving in a direction. Back to the A, and now we're on to another verse. So not that difficult for the verses. Now for the bridge, she does an A which I think would be cool if you played it like this. To a G over A. So you just slide it down 2 frets. Okay, D major 7. To C over D. D major 7. A over C sharp. B minor 7. B minor 7 over E. To the chorus. Times at the very end. Oh, I did too many times. Minor 7 over E and then A. So not that difficult a song, but kind of cool chords, certainly cool lyrics, and you just do a little bit of movement in there as a guitarist and you've got it. And incidentally, if you want to sing this or do this song as a solo guitarist without vocals, it's not that hard. Something like that, where you're just doing the melody over the chords. And if you want to do it as just a solo guitarist instead of a solo singer-guitarist, it can be done. All right, what a great tune. Thanks for swinging by. I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.